What is up? T and M for life. Gang, 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 gang. So we're back with another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for all notifications. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a spaghetti mukbang. Y'all check it out. Look at all this. Looks so good. We got salad, but we didn't get salad.
Yeah, I ain't want no salad. It's the week. Well, it's out of school time, so.
So yeah, let's say our grace. Thank you for this food we about to receive nourishing our body in Jesus' name. I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Woo! First meal of the day, y'all.
Look how big these meatballs are. Y'all, I ate a little bit like the tiny pieces of the meat because I was hungry,
Y'all, I love when my mama cooks spaghetti. It be so good.
Y'all, I stayed up all night and I woke up late too. I woke up like 1.
I went to sleep at 2, y'all. I ain't stay up all night with him.
I went to sleep
Or all
at 4.
morning. I went to sleep at 2 because I was tired.
I couldn't go to sleep after I saw what I saw last night. That had me scared. Spider was right there. I was like, I couldn't go to sleep. I was wrapped up in my blanket too.
What y'all doing today? What y'all did at school today if y'all went to school? But, yeah. We might do another video today. I don't know of what. But we gonna do something. I guess y'all be like, dang, y'all always eating. But y'all ain't giving us no ideas, so we just coming up with our own ideas.
That's why we say comment
down below
and subscribe.
To tell us what y'all wants to see. We just coming up with ideas off the bat. Oh, hey y'all.
Y'all tea almost fell.
Make sure y'all really give us feedback though, y'all, or what y'all want to see us do. Cause sometimes we don't be having no ideas. We just do something random. Good.
Y'all, that took me forever to eat that meatball.
Y'all, reason why I ain't talking, cause this spaghetti. Some people can't cook spaghetti. Some people, the spaghetti be dry and nasty, and they don't got no flavor. But my mama cook it. It make you want more. It's the first video that we really haven't really been talking because we've been eating. Sorry, y'all. We ain't talking. Y'all just gotta watch us eat. Because me opening my mouth to talk is stopping me from eating my spaghetti. Fun fact about me, another one. I love spaghetti.
I love Chinese food.
Second fun fact that I like, fried chicken. Or some teriyaki wings, or some honey mustard wings.
Y'all can ask T. I love teriyaki and honey mustard. Every time we go to Buffalo Wild Wings, I either get that, teriyaki,
Y'all,
honey mustard.
I put her on that honey mustard, y'all. Cause she always be like, ugh. Then when she tried it, y'all, she fell in love. Y'all, this spaghetti is so good. I'm almost done, y'all.
Cheers. Something's coming on too.
We might show y'all when we go walking today. Cause I try to exercise a little bit, like every day, to go walking. So, we might record that today. I don't know. You'll know if I record it or not.
Yo, I need to break from my case, and I need to wash my case. I've just got my phone like this. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not outside because if I had my phone like this outside, y'all probably can't see the cracks, but yeah, it will have more cracks than that if I was outside right now with it like that.
Excuse me. That hit the spot, y'all. That was good. That had broke the scale.
Looked like somebody was thirsty.
Y'all remember that video from yesterday when we was trying the strawberry lemonade? Oh, that's what we drinking, y'all. But she was like, y'all. But I waited until, excuse me, I got done eating to drink my drink.
I couldn't do that.
She just, I don't know, chugged it.
I didn't even when I first put it in my mouth, I didn't even swallow it. I just put it to the side over here in my jaw.
So yeah, we might do 2 more videos today. It's according to how I feel on this editing today. But if not, if y'all don't see us no more today, it could be a video tomorrow. But tomorrow's going to be a busy day, so we shall see. But y'all going to get a video. Know that.
Yeah.
Now that M is out of school, we told y'all that we was going to be posting. And look, we stand in our word. We, yeah, so far so good.
I got out of school early. I was like, woohoo! I was so happy. I didn't feel like going to school no more.
So, yeah, y'all. Well, M is done with her plate. So, make sure you like, comment.
I gotta fly to my drink.
I was in the middle of doing the outro, and she could have waited to get something to drink after we was done. She just wasted more time than we already done waste. We're not wasting time, but she's not the one editing. I am. You feel me? But if she had to do that, she wouldn't want to do it. So can you hurry up?
I'm done.
Okay, can you get back in the video? What is you doing?
I was waiting for you to do it.
Okay, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that share button, and hit that bell for all of our notifications. Peace.